Did you know a staggering 95% of new products fail each year? Why is that? Because having a great product isn't enough. You need marketing that actually makes an impact. If you're in marketing or managing a marketing team, this video is for you. I'll show you the keys to product marketing from start to finish and what you can do in your campaign to make it the best launch yet. I'm Ivan from Visme, helping you design better for your business. So let's dive in. Product marketing isn't just about launching a product. It's about telling a story that connects your product with the right audience and showing why it matters to them. It's a bridge between the product development team, the marketing team, the sales team, and most importantly, the customer. At its core, product marketing is about answering two questions. One, who's your customer? And two, why should they care about your product? Whether it's through advertising, social media, or word of mouth, product marketing shapes the way people perceive and interact with your product. The main goal of product marketing is to introduce the product to the market, position it strategically, and ensure that the message resonates with the target audience. But before we continue, and I cannot stress this enough, your product needs to be consumer ready before you go to market. Your product marketing might be great, but if it's incomplete and it doesn't live up to the expectations, you might just get bombarded by poor customer reviews and a ton of social media backlash. So why is marketing so critical to launching a product? A well-executed product marketing strategy creates demand, it drives sales, and it improves customer satisfaction. A great product demonstration or compelling ad can take a potential customer from awareness to action. By highlighting how your product solves their problems, you create a connection that encourages them to take the next step. Satisfied customers are not only more likely to return, but also more likely to recommend your product to others, increasing sales and building long-term customer loyalty. In fact, Salesforce research found that 49% of consumers said that they purchased a product that they did not initially intend to buy until they received a personalized recommendation. Now, let's walk through the steps to build a powerful product marketing strategy. Step 1. Understand your target audience. Before anything else, you need to know who your customers are. This means understanding their challenges, needs, and behaviors. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your messaging to resonate with them. Step 2, conduct market research. Once you understand your audience, it's time to analyze the market. What are your competitors doing? What are the current trends? These questions and this research will help you find opportunities to position your product as the best choice. You can use tools like RivalQ or SparkTuro to better understand the audience trend metrics in social media, or sites like Social Blade for sites like YouTube. Step 3, position your product in the marketing. Positioning is all about creating a strong association in the customer's mind. What makes your product unique? What problem does it solve better than the competition? A clear and compelling positioning statement is essential for helping customers see why they need your product. Step 4, set SMART goals. Setting SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We've actually discussed this in other videos because it's so relevant for long-term planning in business. But this helps keep your marketing strategies focused and effective. Whether your goal is increasing sales by 10% in the next quarter or acquiring 1,000 new users, SMART goals give you a roadmap to success. This is all great in theory, but what about application? To market your product effectively, it's important to focus on strategies that resonate with your target audience and shows off the product's real-world benefits. Customers care about how your product will improve their lives. Now let's talk tactics. To market your product effectively, it's important to focus on strategies that resonate with your target audience and show off the product's real-world benefits. Customers care about how your product will improve their lives. Instead of listing features, show them the benefits, sell the vacation. Videos are one of the most powerful ways to communicate a product's value. A well-produced product video not only educates customers, but also builds trust. In fact, 84% of people say they purchased a product after watching a video of it. A well-produced product video not only educates customers, but also builds trust. In fact, 84% of people say that they purchased a product after watching a video of it. Email marketing still remains one of the highest ROI channels. Personalized, targeted email campaigns can keep customers engaged and lead to higher conversion rates. Influencer marketing can also be a pretty big game changer. By partnering with influencers who align with your brand, you can quickly build credibility and reach new audiences. So let's take a look at some real-world examples of product marketing success. One of the most successful influencer or product tie-ins are the Nike Air Jordan basketball shoes. Michael Jordan will undoubtedly go down as one of the greatest basketball players in all of history. By creating a product centered around Jordan's name, they were able to sell millions and millions of shoes, not only to his fans, but those that associated with being a higher quality of product. Another example would be Spotify's personalized playlists. By curating playlists tailored to each listener, Spotify created a personalized experience that keeps users coming back. They basically made you the influencer that drives continuous traffic to their platform, just like Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign. Coke actually replaces their iconic logo with people's names to individual bottles, which makes each product feel personal. This encouraged people to buy the product and share it with people whose name was on the bottle, thus turning one sale into multiple sales per customer. But launching a product is just the beginning. After the launch, it's critical to monitor performance and gather feedback. You need to ask yourself, what are customers saying? How are sales performing? This data will help you refine your strategy and improve the product. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success, so don't be afraid to make changes based on customer feedback. Whether it's updating features, adjusting your messaging, or tweaking your pricing strategy, staying agile is essential in today's fast-paced market. Product marketing is about more than just launching products. It's about building relationships, creating value, and standing out in a crowded marketplace. If you're ready to build a strategy that drives real results, now is the time to put these principles into action. By understanding your audience, positioning your product effectively, and using the right marketing channels, you can set your product up for a ton of success. And if you're looking to create content and assets for your next marketing campaign, try Visme. It's our all-in-one platform for designing presentations, infographics, and videos with ready-made templates that help your product stand out. We designed it specifically to make business design fun and simple. Believe it or not, yes, it can be fun and simple, regardless of your skill level. You can try today with the link down below. I'm Yvonne from Visme, helping you design better for your business.